Hello, Myra and Amara. Okay, let me get Ayumi and Auni just a moment. Okay, Auni. Okay, we're gonna start on. Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, we're gonna start on area and perimeter. Have you all finished decimals? Auni, have you finished decimals?
Yeah.
Finished
No,
already?
no, I haven't finished. We just started decimals at school.
Yes. Okay. So how is it? Is it easy?
Can lah.
Can lah. Okay.
Wait, where's Naomi?
Okay, now Naomi.
Why must every time one of the girls must always be late?
Just a moment.
Yeah.
Auni, today you are the third who came in.
Oh, is it?
Okay. Amara, you there, Amara?
First. Where's Amara? She always does her face.
Amara, who is that man behind you? Okay.
Wait, Mr. Shahid, this one I did.
Oh, okay. You can send it to me.
Finish the thing. I haven't finished the paper.
Okay. You haven't finished. Once you finish, you can send me and I can check for you.
I haven't finished. I know.
No, I meant my school worksheet, not yours.
Oh, it's not. I haven't done this at school.
Okay. So,
I
but
still learning decimals.
before that, yeah, we're going to revise decimals next week or so, or the week after.
Okay.
But let me just ask you. Let's see. Okay, let's see if I have this, and without counting the squares, without counting every square. Sorry, you need to count still. Some counting. How do you find?
Where is coming out?
What again? Okay, let's say now. Okay, I want to know how many squares there are down here. What is the fastest way? Who knows? Fastest way of finding out the.
Can we use our times tables?
Yeah, can. So what do you think is the fastest way? Myra, Naomi, Amara, where are you, Amara?
Where is Amara? Where's her face?
She's not there. I've got a message. Okay, so how to find the fastest way to find the number of squares down here? Assuming this is a rectangle. How to do this? Anyone? One way is to count, but let's say I don't want to count. You know how to do? 10. Okay, down here, let's see how we count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Why are you shouting? Cause like her voice is so loud.
Okay, this is 9, not 10. 9 and 5. So what do we do? You know how to count the squares down here? You know how to find it? You just take this top part times down here. You don't need to count individually. But if we want to count, we just count. We just try. Okay? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So there are 45 squares inside here. But another way is to get this one. The length on here is 9. The breadth is 5. 9 times 5, 45. So what am I showing you? I'm showing you to find the area. To find the area, you just take length times breadth.
Amara's brother is dancing behind you.
How do you know?
All I just saw.
Amara's brother is not only dancing, jumping on the bed. Mara, you there, Mara? We're going to start, Okay. So I've just shown you that in order to find the area of a rectangle, you take the length times the breadth, you can find it. So can we try? Can we try the first two? 1A, 1B.
Should we write it down or like I just like put it in the chat?
Chat. So that everyone can get it.
Find the area of each rectangle.
Let me go and get something. Hold on. Sorry, I was getting my spectacles. Right. Okay. We are finding the area of the okay, let's see. No one has sent. Hey, come on, guys, girls. Not so difficult, Very easy, very easy. Nayumi is not here. Didn't disappear. Come, Umaira, this is easy for you, Umaira. Find the area of this.
Oh, I really want it.
Send your answers, please. You want to send by, you can, some students, they send me by WhatsApp. You want by WhatsApp? No problem. By chat is even better. So I can check everyone's one. What are you eating? Curry puff? Pola, I can see. Well, I'm also eating this. Wow. Amara, just take the length times the breadth. That's it. Very easy, yeah? Naomi and Awni. Come. Can you send your answers by the chat? No, not plus. Not plus. You must times length times breadth. Ah, yes. Yeah, correct. First A is correct. What about B? Amara, what about you, Amara? Okay, well done. So you must remember to put the unit. Because down here it will be difficult too, but the unit will be, yes, not cm. Well done, Amara. The unit is cm square. Why cm square? Because we're counting the squares here. So Naomi, can you try what's the answer, Auni? All right, I will show it to you that.
Naomi is not here.
Naomi not here. Where did she go to? Okay, never mind. I just messaged the mom. I just told the mom that she's in. Okay, but anyway, Auni, what about Auni? Auni, are you there?
Yep. Yes.
Then what's the answer? We're waiting for you now.
Oops. Okay.
Okay, notice how we are using squares to count. We cannot use cm. You know, it's cm. 2. This small 2 means a square. Okay, so I'm going to run through the answer. What about the other one, Amara? What about B? But you can see in A that I'm counting the squares, I get the answer also. But it's a tiring process. You got to divide it. No, you're finding perimeter only. You want area. Area is length times breadth. 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. And as you can see, if I divide it into 6 parts here, 4 parts here, and I count the squares, I get 24. So how do you get 24 squares? 6 times 4. What you did is 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. That's perimeter. You're not finding perimeter. We're finding area. Okay, next one. What the next one? Amara and Auni. Umaira has finished already.
Why P5's area of pyramid, volume of cubes and cuboids is so high, but P3 is so easy. P4.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay.
What stuff is hard?
Volume of cubes and cuboid.
What's that about? Where is this full screen?
They will come. Okay, come. So now we will ask Umaira, can you try 2A, Umaira?
Okay.
But careful, we are finding the length.
15 divided by 3.
Well done. So you know how to do. What about Auni and yes, Auni, well done. What about Amara? Just take 5 times 9. 5 times 9.
Find the length of each rectangle.
So you remember, let's say if I give you something like this. 2 times 3, well done, Umaira, equals to what? Auni. 2 times 3 equals to 2 times 3 equals to?
Which one?
6, down here, 2 times 3. If I do not know what this is, let's say I don't know what this is, I want to find out what the number is. How can I find? I take 6 divided by 3, get 2.
Everything.
Wow. Well done, well done. 6 divided by 3, get 2. Can you see now? So let's say now I do not know this one. I know this is 24. And I want to find the length. 24 divided by 4, get 6. Can you see now? Because if you can see, you look at your timetable carefully, this is what it is, like that. And if you block this out, you want to find the 2, this number, you got to divide 6 divided by 3, get 2. So now I'm going to show you this way, okay? I'm going to draw this triangle. You're going to learn this, use this triangle in primary 5. Well done, Amara. Okay, I want you to learn how to find the length and breadth and all. Use this triangle, okay? So you start at primary 4, you learn how to use. What? You learn already? You know the method. Like that.
Naomi went out.
Sorry? Naomi came in. And now
Naomi went out.
Did Naomi leave just now?
Yeah, she's just so upset with all of us. No, joking. Naomi, okay, Naomi?
It's back.
Okay. Now, girls, come, you look at this. I want you to learn how to use this triangle. This triangle is going to be used many formulas. So now, if you want to find, this is for the area of rectangle. Watch. If you want to find A, you cover A. You're left with length.
So how to do things like this? Tell me.
Okay, can see that. You're left with L and B. So if you want to find area, you cover it in length times breadth. Length times breadth. If you want to find, let's say, length, you cover length. Length equals to area is on top, breadth is below. Area divided by breadth. Can see that? You want to find breadth, how to do? Area on top, length is below, like that. You know how to use this triangle? I'm going to test you, Ken. But I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use other shapes. I'm going to test you one by one. I'll show you one more time. Now, how to use this thing. If you want to find the top, cover the top A. If they are together, it's length times breadth. If you want to find the bottom, can you see this is on top, this is below. Area divided by breadth. If you want to find breadth, area divided by length. Can you see us on top here? Okay, if you cannot see, I will show you one last time, but I'm going to change this. Okay, this second one you don't copy. Okay, we're gonna test you using shapes. If you know how to do this, well done. This is square. This is star. This is circle.
Why are we doing it with shapes?
If you know how to do this, next time, this triangle is going to be used for average. It's going to be used for area. It's going to be used for speed. It's going to be used for many things. And sometimes you are going to have 3 at the bottom and 1 at the top. So let us see. All right, we're going to test you one by one. Now we're going to test the girl who's eating curry puff. Okay, the girl who's eating curry puff from Pola. How do I find square? By the triangle. How do I find square? You cover square. Your left is star and circle. What do I do with them? If you are side by side, means you must times. Good.
You know, it's more confusing with shapes.
Yeah, but
Because we don't know what's the number.
Yeah, if you no, later on you get the number. Okay, let's say hold on. Now, if I want to find star, we ask Auni, how do I find star? I cover star. What's the formula?
Divide.
Divide square on top divided by circle. Can you see now? Because when you cover this, it's only square and circle. Okay, we're gonna ask Nayumi. Nayumi, I want to find circle. How do I? What's the formula? Nayumi have sent me a message. How come she sent me a message? Can I go toilet? Okay, who's that? Amara. Okay, Amara. Come. Nayumi, me. Nayumi, how to find circle? Cover circle. Formula? Cannot hear you. Not unmute. Cannot hear.
Sure, I cannot hear what you say.
Okay, I want to find circle. I cover circle. What's the formula?
You want us to find circle? Shush. Hi.
No, down here. You use the shape. Cover the circle. What's the shape on top? Sorry. What's the shape on top? Square. Below is what?
Who you asking?
Nayumi.
She's muted and she's open.
But do you get it? Okay, you cover this. Now, I'm going to show you now. When I cover this, what happened? This thing disappear. What you are left with is like that. Can you see now? The square divided by star. Okay, I hope you get it, because we are now going to use length, breadth, and whatnot, and area. Now, same thing. A down here is area. Length is L. Breadth is B. So now, okay, we're gonna try. Okay, you try now. The formula is there. Okay.
V. Wait, Mr. Shahi, what is V?
V is breadth. Breadth.
No, V. V.
Volume.
V. Oh
V.
yeah, never mind.
V is volume. So now for Umaira, she's doing this. She's doing in school like that. Volume, length, breadth, height. If you want to find length, volume over breadth times height. You see, it's all there. You must know how to use this triangle, you see. If you don't know how to use triangle, you won't be able to find. Okay, now we try the next one. 3A, 3B. I'm going to draw for you the triangle. You try to find out what's the answer for 3A, 3B. And please send it to me. This is now area. A for area. Length and breadth. Length is the longer side. Breadth is the shorter side. So in this case, they want to find the breadth. In this case, they want to find the breadth. How to find the breadth? Cover the breadth. Cover the breadth. How to cover? Okay, I cover it. And then what do you get? This is your formula. Area divided by length.
No, you are not writing any point.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes.
But there's a triangle there. What you mean, Amira?
Sorry? What she say?
Never mind.
This triangle is a formula triangle, you know. It's actually how to, you'll be needing it. I'm teaching secondary school students using this. Primary and secondary also using this.
Finish.
Wow, so fast. Okay, let's see. Myra, well done.
What
Myra,
are we meant to find? Are we meant to find the bread? Bread.
Yes, the breath, not bread. Yeah, but the word bread is the word breath. And some people say this is breath as in bad breath. That's without the D. Okay. So remember, the word bread is here. In America, what they call breath? Mara, do you know what's breath in America? Let's say they have rectangle, they say length and...
No. Why last week? Not last week lah. Last week P5 lesson. Why you never video?
I never video.
No, she did video.
I did, but I did not upload it because I showed the assassination of JFK.
What's JFK again?
JFK, John F. Kennedy. And then I showed a video, a violent video, and I think...
No, you didn't.
Why I did not upload the video? Did I not upload the video? I did not.
No, last Friday you didn't take a video.
Last Friday.
Last Tuesday.
Tuesday? I forgot to record, is it?
Yeah, I told you're not recording. Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, sorry. That one was my mistake lah. I think I'm getting old. Auni Sarah, congratulations. What about Nayumi? Nayumi, please try A and B.
Sure, can Naomi even hear you?
Nayumi, can you hear me, Nayumi? Can, right? There she can. What about Amara?
Amara, if she can hear you, she won't really answer because she's shy a bit, right?
Don't be too shy, Amara. Come on, Amara. You can do this. Now, once again, those of you are not sure, you want to find the breath. How to find the breath? Well, in order to find the breath, you need to cover the breath. How to cover the breath? See, here. Just like you cover your mouth, you have bad breath. Cover. Ding, disappear. So what is left? Area divide by length lah. You take the area, divide by length. So down here is 18. 18 divided by 6. Come on. You guys can do this like 18 divided by 6.
Can you make it a bit smaller so I can do the next question?
Okay, hold on now. Wow.
Sure, don't let her do the next question. She always can do a lot of questions.
Good lah, she's fast. She's busy Gonzalez, you know. She's very fast. And when she's fast, she's very serious. So she doesn't smile, doesn't joke.
I know, but that's when she's fast. Sometimes she's not serious.
Yeah, sometimes not serious. But when she's serious, don't play with her. Habis, she will kill everyone.
Later for my Chinese tuition, I will only...
Why are you having Chinese tuition?
Because I take Chinese as my mother tongue.
At school.
Yeah.
So it's good like this. You all know. You know, there's more Chinese people in Singapore who can speak Malay than there are Malay people speaking Chinese. Do you know that? If you go to the market, when
brother know a bit of Chinese. Only a bit.
When you all go to Geylang, what happened when you go Geylang? The Chinese man and woman was...
No, I only have gone crazy.
Why? No, I laughed because it was funny. Something was funny.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. What is so funny?
You don't need to know.
Yeah, so sometimes the joke comes to us after the joke, after a while, right? So imagine you heard a joke and then you didn't find it funny. In the
like her, she doesn't find my joke funny.
She will laugh. It takes some time. Sometimes when she's all alone in the MRT, she'll start laughing.
Why did she start laughing? Why she start?
Because she get the joke later on. Some people are like that. Okay, come. Let's try this. Come on. Nayumi and...
No, I already...
Oh.
Come on. So the formula...
Why Naomi suddenly off her video? Can you zoom in? I cannot see.
Oh, cannot see, eh?
Yeah, zoom in a bit.
down here.
Okay.
Is it better here?
Yeah.
So you found 3 and 4. Well done.
Perimeter.
Okay, we try this. This perimeter. Careful. Not area anymore. It's perimeter. Perimeter is the outline. Okay.
Perimeter. I don't know. Perimeter was times.
Oh, Naomi is entering again. The Wi-Fi is not so good.
But Naomi is there. You can. Why are there two Naomis?
That's why.
It's right.
Naomi, why are there two of you?
There are two Naomi.
One of them. Yeah. Oh, I don't say what I said. Yes, I don't copy what I said now.
Hello. I was going to say that first. Then you keep quiet. Next year lah. You blame me.
Okay, come, perimeter. This is considered very easy.
So
So this is quite boring, right? We are going to go to more interesting stuff. Is it times? No, perimeter means you add
I don't want to study.
5 plus
Really,
2.
no, I don't want to
5 plus 2. No, don't be embarrassed. Come. You add all the sides together. Perimeter is outside.
I say I already got my answer.
Okay, you send your answer, please.
Yeah.
I will draw another one down here. You tell me now. What is the perimeter? Hold on. And I'm sure some of you will make a mistake. Okay, this is question C. Find the perimeter, also a question C. So, Miss
2 packet. Thank you.
Umaira, well done for A. Umaira, well done for B. Umaira, can you try C?
But how to find the perimeter?
Perimeter is the outside. Down
Okay.
here.
I know what's the
5
perimeter.
plus 2, 5 plus 5 plus 2.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But I think some of you will get it wrong for C. Let's see. Naomi, what about you, Naomi?
Is the answer 24 for C?
Oh, God.
Okay, we'll go through in a moment, okay?
Wait. Let me. There's my rough paper. My mother went to the bird shop near the tuition center, and then and then it was closed.
Then she wanted to buy a bird.
No, she went to buy the food, but then the shop was closed.
Okay, well done, Auni. Well done. What about C, Auni?
I can't see the C. Where's the C?
The red color one I draw in red.
Okay.
What? Which one are you to finding a lot of stuff,
No, this one. I want you to find the perimeter.
Actually, can I rewrite that by a lot bigger?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, you draw.
Yeah.
Is it going to be better than mine?
Maybe.
Perimeter is only the outside, right?
Yes. Umaira, you must remember the clue Auni has just given. She says perimeter is only the outside. Perimeter.
Oh.
Okay,
Yes.
Auni, congratulations. All three, you got it right. All right. So I'm going to write this the same thing. It's all okay, good. Yes.
Wait, I'm not done writing.
Amara and Naomi, what's the answer? Okay, I'm just going to go through this. So this one is 5.
Why are Naomi and Amara so quiet?
Naomi is gone. Amara, what about you, Amara? You want a perimeter. So take perimeter is where? Is this part on here?
Is it
5.
already done?
Okay, so what's your answer, Miss Umaira, for that?
I already sent you.
But that's not correct. You do not include this one. Perimeter, you don't include this one. you only include what? I'm going to show you now.
Oh,
Perimeters on the outside. You don't need like that, like that, like that. Like this. Is the outline, what we call the outline down here, like that. So you must only take the outside. This bottom one, don't take it. Don't use it. So again, down here, same thing. This is now the perimeter. So 5 plus 2, 5 plus 5 plus 2, the answer is what? 14 cm. Cm, this is not cm square because square is inside. This one 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 is 30. Okay? So I'm going to show you. You have to be very clear on this, okay? 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2. Yes, well done, Umaira. Now your unit down here will be what? It will be in cm. Don't put cm square. Cm square is a 2. Don't put a 2 here. Don't put the 2. I remove the 2. Same thing. This one you add, you get 30 cm. What about down here? Don't include this 4. Don't want this 4. Perimeter is on the outside. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or you can take 4 times 5. Answer is 20 cm. Do we put the 2? No. We don't put the 2. When do you put the 2? You put the 2 when you are finding inside the square. Remember just now I draw the square like that? Only then you put the 2. Okay? When you have the squares, when you're calculating the area. But we are not calculating the area. Okay, we move on. I hope you can complete this chapter by today. So that... Okay, can you find the length, please? Find the length. Anyone, find the length. Okay, length. You know how to find length? Perimeter is the outline, okay? Someone has got an answer. No, not divide. Okay, let us see, What do we do? What is perimeter? Perimeter is all on the outside. Here, this is 3. This is 3. Perimeter is 3 plus 3 plus length plus length. So what do you? Step 1. Take 24 minus the 2 breath. Minus 3 minus 3. You minus this one. You minus this one. What is left? You'll get your answer here. 18. How come? Okay, once you get 18 now, 18 is for these 2 parts. Which 2 parts? I'll shade it for you now. 18 is for here and here. 2 lengths is 18. Again, I repeat that this length and this length. So 2 lengths is 18. 18 is 2 lengths. You want to find 1 length, what do? You divide by 2. And then you get 9. So this is 9. This is 9. If you don't believe this is correct, let's add them. 9 plus 9, you get 18. Plus 3, 21. Plus 3, 24. All right. So I'll show you the step again. Take perimeter minus the 2 breadth. You get your answer. Then your answer must divide by 2 because this is for 2 lengths. Okay, we try. We try the next one. Come on, make sure you can do this, okay? They want you to find the breadth. 1 minute.
Is it the same steps?
Same steps.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, anyone? Wow, so fast. So
I
fast.
just got the answer.
Well done.
I did something.
You must minus this first. Okay, let us see.
I already minus.
Okay, we're gonna check. So what do we do? Remember what is perimeter? Perimeter is from where? It's on the outline. You know, this is the outline. I'm trying to show you that. This is 1, 2. This is the perimeter down here. So what do we do? Step 1. Step 1, perimeter minus the length. But there's two lengths. There's one length here. There's also another length here. So take 32 minus 10 minus 10. 32 minus 10 is 22. 22 minus 10 is 12. So what is 12? 12 is from this part here. One breath plus another breath down here. There's two breaths. What can you see? This is the breath, no? This is the breath. So there's two breaths. Two breaths. I'm going to write for you. Two breaths equal to 12. So you want to find one breath. How to find one breath? 12 divided by 2, ma. Hey, don't speak like that. That's very Chinese. 12 divided by 2, ma. Okay. Nothing wrong to speak Chinese, but don't speak English that way. Sorry, my mistake. So
Why?
the answer is 6. It's not nice lah. See, sometimes you speak like a Malay. All right. Yeah, the word 5. Last time when I was young, they would say pi.
Who the Chinese?
Malay.
How they pronounce?
The Chinese, they wouldn't be able to pronounce certain things. Okay, but anyway, so now can you see the step? There's only 2 steps. Perimeter minus the 2 sides, same sides. After that, you get the answer, divide by 2. So I'm going to now draw and show you step by step what is happening so that you're very, very clear. I'm just worried that you're not clear. Now, what is 32? 32 is made up of what? The red line, the green line, the red line, the green line. And then what do we do? 32 minus 10, disappear, 110. 32 another 10, left 12. This 2 is 12. 2 breath is 12. So you must 12 divided by 2, 1 is 6. This one down here is 6. The one breath is 6. The other one is 6. So this is 6. This is 6. You're clear now? We try the next one. So far, only Auni is the one who can get it right. Let us see what about the rest. We're waiting for Kakak Umaira and Kakak Naomi.
What happened to Myra? Myra usually the fastest.
Because she is distracted. Really? She's distracted by curry puff. Okay, now we want you only B, only B. We want you to find the area. We want you to find the perimeter. So they give you an example here. Area is length times breadth, 8 times 8. Perimeter 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So we want to do B. What is the area? What is the perimeter? And notice, girls, area, the unit has a small 2. Now, what is this small 2?
Don't tell us.
What is it?
Don't tell us anything yet.
You see down perimeter got no small 2. Area has small 2. What is it? Which is a very cute number. No, 2, that small 2 means, Cikgu Myra going to explain. Cikgu, what you going to do for you? Go. This small 2, Auni, you know what's the meaning of the small 2 here?
Ouch. Nothing. I just not heard.
This one means square. It means square.
Why does the number mean square?
Because it's like 2 sides. Length, breadth, square. Length times breadth. Okay, so this one you can divide into squares. Okay, you try question B now. What is the area? And what is the perimeter? Come on. I seem to be coughing.
Why are you coughing?
Because the polar that Umaira gave me, the polar curry puff Umaira gave me was not good.
It's not even curry puff.
Then what
is it?
It's chicken sausage roll.
No wonder I don't like that.
I only like the curry puff. I don't like the sausage roll.
But actually, I like that. That's very nice.
My below my house at Esso there is There's chicken sausage roll, curry puff, got a lot.
But is it you live at Pasir Ris, Mera?
No.
Where do you live?
Then why you always go to Pasir Ris all the time?
Oh, usually I go to Pasir Ris after my this math class because I got Chinese tuition.
Why do you have Chinese tuition?
Because I take Chinese.
It's good.
Why are you taking Chinese?
You all must understand it's important to know Chinese because 70% of more than 70% of Singaporeans are Chinese.
You know, Myra have Chinese tuition.
Chinese tuition?
Yeah.
She takes Chinese.
Okay, come. Auni and Naomi and the rest, come.
That's why I only need to tell everybody also.
Yeah, Auni. Okay, come. Let us try now. What's the answer for B?
Only you show off your
Naomi. Stop watching TV, come. Do this one. I know you're watching TV. Try, find the area and perimeter, come, Naomi.
Why do you think she's watching TV?
Now she's talking to some because she's looking at.
How would you know if she's playing her phone or not?
Now she's.
How can you read people's mind?
I can see. So now Auni is distracted by her cat.
No, I only distracted by the way I said that I take Chinese.
No, I'm distracted by my brother's talking.
Okay. So we are both wrong, but she was distracted. And then Umaira is distracted by her itchy back. Come, let's try question B. To waste time, come on, you all are taking too long now.
Are we?
Find the area and perimeter. It's so easy, Razan. Or maybe it's too easy.
How did they get like the 4 times 8? Where they get the 4?
Okay, so this one is 8, this one is 8, this one is 8. So you can take 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 or shortcut 8 times 4 because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one you can do 2 methods.
What is 8 times 8?
8 times 8, 64. But we are not doing A, we are doing B.
I know.
So this one is the same. We are doing B, Come, Naomi, what's your answer, Naomi? Say the answer.
But how to find the parameter for B?
Perimeter, this
For B.
for B. This is 10. This is 10. This is 10. Because it's a square. So perimeter is 10. Times. Okay, I'm going to check answer. Let's see. Where did check go?
Into the thick of it.
Okay, your perimeter, you got it correct. What about your area? Your area have not gotten.
Thick of it. Thick of it.
Come, Naomi, come.
Is that someone is that one of your adults talking or is that like a cat meowing?
Umaira, that's the bird screaming.
What?
Oh, okay.
No, it's brother screaming. It's my brother.
But,
Or is it the into the thick of it? The thick of it. The thick of it.
okay, area is very simple. 10 times 10, length times breadth. Yeah.
You know that actually there is a kid that the room has a whole swimming pool.
Where?
I can take pictures for you.
Okay, later. Here we go. Now to find the perimeter is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 or 10 times 4. Why 4? Because there are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 40 cm. For area is length times breadth. 10 times 10, 100. But remember to add this small 2. This small 2 means square. Okay, area you must always measure it square. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. Huh? Maybe it's too boring for you.
So can I get a drink?
Yeah. You're bored with it. Okay, then
No, I'm not.
let us try this one. The area is 49. What is the length of each side? That means the length of each side is the same.
Like the bed is in the middle, and then it's surrounded by a pool.
Wow.
It's a
You
full. It's a funky bed for the bedroom. I don't know what that means.
funky bedroom.
No. Wait, I take pictures for you.
You want that sort of bed?
I want, but then my bed where got my room where got big enough.
Not big enough. But why do you want that bed?
Because without going out, I can swim.
Wow. Okay, what about the rest? Come on, the rest.
This is another one that I'm sending you.
Okay. Come, find what is the length of one side.
But it's not like a swimming pool, like a hot tub like that.
I see. So in order to find the area, we can find what times what equals to 49. We can try that. We can say 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7, 49. So one side is 7. See, but I thought just now we yeah, okay. All right, now we move on. I hope you're getting it. Okay, now this is the perimeter of a square. Can you find one side? Perimeter of a square. This is not in the water, Mala.
It is water. It's water. You cannot see in the middle is water.
I see.
And then there's a door. And then I don't know how to explain. But this one is there is a whole indoor swimming pool with a swing.
Wow. All right, come.
Ooh, is that a house? Is that a villa?
It's in a house, you know.
That means it's a villa.
And got this one, but this one
Swimming pool in the house.
but this one is in the room. Crazy, right?
Come, let's not waste time. Come on.
It's so crazy.
She's such a distractor.
Come. We're going to find the perimeter. The perimeter is made up of 4 sides. So how do you find the perimeter?
So it times.
You can divide by 4 because there's 4 sides.
Okay. I did it wrongly.
Down here, right now, you have, I use it in different colors. If you all are not clear, down here I'll use the red color. Down here I use the purple color.
Why are you using different colors?
I'm going to show you now.
Because it's beautiful.
No. I'm going to show you why.
Teacher, she always gets the opposite. She always thinks differently. Umaira.
Yes, okay, so now can you see? Oh, not white now. White is not the right color. We use green. So now watch out what happened. If I want this 36, what is this 36? This 36 is like this. Green. Some more. Oh, see, Umaira going to change. Orange. Some more. Purple. Okay. Some more.
Got the wrong color.
Never mind lah. One of them. You change the color. So now down here, this whole thing is equal to 36. Can you see now? This thing there is all actually each side. One side, two sides, three sides, four sides. One side, two sides, three sides, four sides is 36. If you want to find what is 1, is 36 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 36 divided by 4, you can get the answer, which is 9. 9, 9, 9, and 9. If you don't believe, you add up all these 4 9s, you will get 36. Okay? Let's try the next one. Huh? Someone sent me.
Why Umaira off her video?
Umaira, come back, Umaira.
I am already here.
Why are you off with video? I do not know how to answer this. Okay, can you try question number 5?
What do they mean by how long is the wire?
So this wire is down here. They bend the wire until it becomes like that.
So they want us to
Okay,
plus
so
the
down here is a wire watch. I'm going to bend the wire watch. Can you see now?
visible
Then,
wire.
can you see?
Yep.
Then now can you see now?
Oh, Mr. Jackie, I can do. I can
Yeah.
do.
Can you see now the wire?
Umaira, stop copying what he does.
You see down here?
Are you sure you can do it?
Now I'm going to straighten it. There. See the thing? Is this one wire down here? So again, I can bend to make it. See, I can bend to make it a rectangle or square. So that's what's happening, eh? You get it now? You get it now? Through the action, you understand? Yes, right? In Malay, you have such wire. What do you call such wire that can be bent?
Such
Silver in
wire
color.
that can be bent. How white? What color?
Silver in color or gray in color.
Ruler.
Dawai. You can ask your parents later on. Mommy, Daddy, can I have a dawai?
Why? Can you search later?
Okay, later
I
we
want
show.
mochi.
What? You want to what?
I want mochi.
Oh God.
Want what?
Mochi. Say you want mochi.
Yeah, I want.
Right now, Umaira, why do you want mochi now? It's in the middle of class.
Mr. Shahid doesn't know what mochi, doesn't he?
Do you know what's mochi, Mr. Jackie?
I do not know what mochi is. Is it a type of food or what?
Yeah, it's like a puff.
It's
But there's flavors like durian.
Good, yeah.
Look at Amara's screen.
Hey, Amara, are you okay, Amara? Okay, you tell your adik, I'm going to complain to the father now. Okay, tell adik, I'm going to tell your dad.
Can I go further?
Yeah, go.
I don't know, I'm just a
They
static
are still
thinking this.
continuing, Mr. Shahid.
Yeah, I'm saying. Yeah.
The doll look.
That's birds. That's birds.
Okay,
That's
come.
birds.
What's happening?
Nothing's happening.
Come.
Why does Auni keep on looking at the doll?
Because someone. Ow! Because someone.
Ow. What do you mean by someone ow?
Hey, come,
No, I
girls.
meant like someone is at the door.
Hey, you all cannot focus already
Why did you
nowadays.
make Flash as a girl?
Oh, shut.
Flash
Quiet.
into a girl.
So tell this. Oh, mute this, Umaira.
Come.
And off Amara's video.
Oh,
And mute Auni also.
Oi!
Mute.
Sure, you better mute her.
Mute who?
Umaira, she's getting annoying.
Okay, come. Hey, can we do this one or not? You all are too slow lah. Too slow. Come on. Come.
Auni is 120.
Abela, both. Okay, here we go. Come on. This wire now, I'm going to unfold this wire. This wire, as I say, I'm going to use different colors. Okay, the original wire is like this. Imagine it's like that. Okay, this is the wire lah. Now here, so this wire actually was at first like that, and then I draw. At first was like that, and then they bend the wire so that the wire is able to form a rectangle. Okay, can you see this wire? The brown is here. The red on top. The green is here. The purple is here. So they bend. So how long is the wire? You must find the perimeter lah. This plus this plus this plus this is the length of the wire. Come Umara and Auni, can we try A1 and A2? Okay, this wire, if you need me to, I'll try to get a wire soon. What wire is that? Wire here. Come, how long is the wire? Just add this up. This plus this plus this plus this. That is now how long the wire is. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So how much wire is there? 16 cm. How long is the wire? 16 cm. Now area, what about area? Fine. What's the area? Length times breadth. Length times breadth. 5 times 3 equals to 15. Now what's the difference between the two? This one has a square. This one doesn't have a square. This one has a square. Square is a small 2. This one doesn't have a small 2. Okay, let us see. Who sent me the answer? Okay, Auni has sent the first one. Well done. Do you get the second one, Auni? 15. Can you get 15? That's 5 times 3, yeah? Okay, we move on to the next one. You must try to do this one now on your own. Okay. This same wire, okay, this wire. No, we don't do this one. We try to do this two. 7 and 8. 7 and 8, eh?
How come so fast? It's already 12:29.
Because time passes by fast.
Okay. After this, I'm going to tell you a story about these 3 hexagons.
Hey.
But come, you.
What? There's a story about hexagon.
Oh, I told you already, is it?
No.
Umaira, I told you already.
Oh, I said, can you tell a real story?
This is a real story.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll tell you a
Oh
real
yeah,
story.
don't forget to show
but-
us about that. The bendable thingy.
Bendable? Oh, bendable. Dawai.
Yeah.
Dawai, yeah. I will try to buy the dawai. Okay, but now you got to complete this one. If you cannot complete, that means you have not been paying attention. I'm scared you have not been paying attention.
Can you hear my sister crying?
Is that sister or bird?
Sister.
Okay, that's your sister. Why is she crying anyways?
I don't know. But I feel like laughing.
Right.
Because I have no idea why I know my sister crying and I feel like laughing.
Okay, this is a square.
Oh Myra, just now your voice was lagging.
Only your answer that's not you just given is what is it? 7, is it? Sorry, that's not the answer. You cannot just divide.
Is it
by
400? Because I also did a division working.
No. You must ask yourself, what is the area? Area is equal to length times length. Correct? One side times one side, and this is equals to what? Is equals to 100. Something times something equals to 100. Same number. So what times what equals to 100? Come on, you all know.
50
Myra.
times 50.
50 times 50, not 100. What times what equals what? What times what equals 100? Same side, same length. Come on, you know, very easy.
What is 80? 50 times 50. Isn't 50 times 50 100?
50 plus 50. We want times, not plus. You're giving me plus.
I was just about to say that next.
10 times 10.
Oh.
So then you want to find the perimeter? Very simple. Now you know this is 10 what? You know it's 10 is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 40. Okay? 40 cm is the perimeter. Or you can say 10 times 4. Why times 4? Because there are 4 sides. So you can times by 4. So you get the perimeter, you get 40. Can you try the next one now? It's not opposite. They give you perimeter now. This one is a method I only use just now. You can find this answer. Can? You must find one part. Come on. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
After she tells the story.
Yeah, after this you get the story. But because I'm thinking you're getting bored, that's why. I'm a little bit scared when children get bored, they cannot focus. Then nothing enters the head. Like Umaira now, she's doing something else. Umaira, come back.
Can I go to the toilet? I don't know. I need to go to the toilet.
Okay.
Why do you say I need to go? Okay, I need to go to the toilet.
Okay, I think I need to use something to show you all. Let me see. Bendable wire. Okay, you Guys, Sebastian, I'll go and get something. Okay. I think because you don't understand, I need to show you this. Now, this is what we are doing now. This is like the wire. This is a real wire now. Now, can you see the wire? I can bend the wire. I can make it the shape of a square. Can you see? This is a special wire called dawai. That's not, I only was asking, what is this wire? This is dawai now. Okay, it's a bendable wire. Now, can you see the shape of a square? Miss, what's the name? Amara, can you see that, Amara? Shape of the square. So now you want to find, they tell you now, this square now, okay, the perimeter is, let's say, 8. How to find one side? Perimeter means what? Perimeter is the whole thing outside, which is actually a straight line. Can you see that? This straight line. So now I can bend it to make it a square now. So you want to find one side. Find one side. If the perimeter is 8, what is one side? You know how to do this. Come on. Miss Umaira. The perimeter is 8 cm. What is one side? How many sides are there in a square? 4 sides, right? 4 sides. 4 sides is 8 cm. One side is how much? That's all they're asking you. Find out lah. Cannot be you don't know. You know. Girls, come on now. 4 sides, 8 cm. One side, 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, what do you get? You get 2 cm. Then they ask you what is the area of this. What's the area? Well, one side is 2. You want to find area, length times breadth. 2 times 2. Answer is 4 square cm. Okay? I do not know whether you understand or not. The only person, Amara, you understand, Amara? Amara, you understand, Amara? Do you understand? Little bit, a lot, or do I understand? You understand? Okay. What about Umaira? You understand? Yes, sir. Umaira is watching something else. Umaira. What are you watching, Umaira? You're watching some screen. Umaira, wake up! Okay. I'll wait for Auni to come back, but meanwhile, we'll do another question again. Nayumi, are you there? No, Nayumi. I don't know whether she's there. Can you find the length AG? Can you find the length AG? Okay, can you find AG? You look at it, you'll be able to see what is AG. Come on, girls. Come on. There's only Sarah in the toilet. Nayumi, where are you? Nayumi, are you there? Okay, come on. This is a square. No? You can find out what is AG. What is it? Come on, Umara, come, can do that. This is a square. Clue, this is a square. When you put a mark like this, means all the same. They're all the same. So now down here is 4. Down here, 5 lah. Because this is square, this one's 5. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5. So this one must be 5 also. So what's length AG? 4 plus 5 equals to 9 cm. Okay? Move on now to the next one. Okay, you try this one. Move the okay. Please try. Come on, boys and girls. Where is Auni? Can you find the length BC? Where's BC? BC, hold on. BC is here. ED is here. Okay, can you find ED or BC? Very easy, very easy. Come on. You can do this, you can do this. All right, now here, can you see now this is 11. Yeah, from here to here is 11. You want to find this one. This one, you know how much this is. So what do you do? 11 minus 8, minus 8. You get 3. Down here is 3 because 3 plus 8 is 11. Next one then. We want you to find ED. ED. Okay, I'll show you. This is a square. All the sides are the same. Okay, that means this is also 11. The whole thing is 13. 13 cm. 13 minus 11, 2 cm. All right, we move on. Oh, sorry. Okay, I will tell you all the story now. Okay, I do not know whether you are there. Okay, the story now, this is a true story. Okay, this is about the honeybees. Did I tell you about honeybees? No. Okay. When Mama bee, you know Mama bee is who, the queen bee lah. When she wants to lay eggs, there's 3 sizes. This is a cell. Cell. Say what is a cell? Well, this is like the cell, a honeycomb. You know honeycomb? Okay, you don't know honeycomb. I'll show you what's honeycomb now. Then I explain this. Okay. So honeycomb, if we look down here, honeycomb down here. Honeycomb. Okay, this is honeycomb down here. Can you see? Can you see it's all hexagon down here? Can you see? You look at this. You see the queen. Can you imagine this is the
Oh,
queen
this
bee?
one you got tell me before.
I told you before. I do not know whether I told the rest, but this is where they can lay egg, they can store the pollen, they can store the honey. So the queen bee now, will crawl over. If they find a very, very big cell, what will you do, Umaira? Since you know, you can't remember. Okay, the smaller cell is for the male. Smaller cell. Middle-sized cell is for what? Amara, this is for the worker bee. It will lay eggs for new worker bees. And you know the hive needs a lot of worker bees. The biggest one is for the newest queen bee. So how do you know when to lay the eggs of a new queen bee? Okay, actually the queen bee doesn't really know. But the queen bee gives out a perfume, you know. This perfume can be smelled by the worker bees. If the worker bees smell there's not enough perfume, they'll make a new big cell. You know why? Because the queen bee is dying. Within a couple of weeks or months.
They would kill them.
They may kill them, may not, but actually
Umaira, don't be a spoiler.
Okay, so what happened? Down here now, when the new queen bee comes out, you know the queen bee can adjust now. I'm going to give birth to a new queen bee. New queen bee egg comes out. So by looking at the size of the cell, it can decide what type of egg it will lay. Can you imagine our mother say, I'm going to give birth to a boy. The boy comes out. I'm going to give birth to a girl. A girl comes out. It doesn't work that way for human beings, right? But for the queen bee, they can do that. Okay, so now the queen bee gives out a certain smell. If the smell is strong, means the queen bee is young and very alive, and they will only build worker bee. Because worker bee, you need the worker bee, right? But if the queen bee is dying, the smell is less, they'll make one big one, also small one, because the male is going to be there. So when the new queen bee is hatched, the males are hatched, you know what they do? They go for the maiden flight. Means the queen bee will fly as high as possible, and the males will try to catch up. Whoever can catch up the queen bee will mate with the queen bee. And what happened do you think after that? The male will then die. And the new queen bee will go back to the hive and spend the rest of his life just laying eggs. Can you imagine? Out, and they lay about one egg a minute or something. Can you imagine that? Our mother giving birth, let's say one baby every day. Yeah, mommy, a new baby. Next,
Yeah. You want to show us the dawai.
Dawai, actually, I showed you the dawai.
And
This is the dawai.
oh, you have a dawai.
Okay, the dawai now can be bent. Where is it? So I show you the bent dawai, but the bent dawai dah hilang lah. Where's the dawai? No. So this dawai, can you see the dawai? It can be bent. Okay, I want to make the shape of a rectangle. So I can just bend. It becomes the shape of a rectangle. Can you see that? So that's what they mean when they say they bend the shape of the wire. Like that. Okay, now we get back to this. Because you seem rather bored. I do not know what happened to, let's see. Someone sent, so the answer is wrong. Only your answer is not correct. Let us now go to more difficult ones. Can you find the perimeter? And go. What is the perimeter? Come on.
Yeah, moving a bit to the right.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, let's see. Somebody as the answer. Is she correct? All right, you gotten DE, yeah? Okay. All right, great. Next step, please. Myra, come on, do this one, Myra. Don't waste time. Don't be like the tortoise and the hare. Come on, come on, come on. What about Naomi? Where are you, Naomi? I don't see you anymore. I've gone far away. Don't go far away, Naomi. Come back.
Where's Naomi?
I do not know where she has gone to.
The girl you call me.
Okay, that means next year, all those who are always missing, I'm gonna not allow them to join the class. That's what I told the Sec 1 students, and that will be the case because I do not know what's happening. Are they doing work? Are they playing a fool? I'm not too sure. Let's see now. EF, whether well done, Aunisara. But what is the perimeter? So sorry, Miss Auni. That is not the right answer. What about the rest?
Oh, it's almost 1.
Why don't you write it properly this year? ED, you say it's 3 cm. 9 minus 3, right? You'll get ED. 9, sorry, minus 6, you get 3. So ED is 3 cm. Then down here now, EF, you know it's 6 cm. So add them all out now, ni. What do you get? Take 12 plus 9. 12, which I put plus 9. Then after that, plus 6. And then after that, plus 3. Okay. Then plus 6 again. And then plus 8. You will get your answer. Can you try to add and see how much you get? So 12 plus 12. Sorry, how many 6 are there? Now 1, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get it, Auni?
Still doing.
Amara, can do Amara?
SU. Student. Yeah. Let's see.
So it's already 1.
Huh?
Yeah.
Not yet, not yet. I think I did. Sorry, there's no 8 here. Sorry. Where did I get it? I wrote the wrong number here. 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus another 6, not 8. Okay, how much is your answer then?
I got 44.
42. Sorry, not plus 8 plus 6. The last one is
Ah,
no. I made a mistake. Okay. Now I will show you an easier way to do this. This easier way, you can use it for very fast working. Watch, huh?
I can't see the board.
Yeah, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the board.
Okay.
Okay. Down here, actually, you only need to know 2 parts actually. I'm teaching you a shortcut, okay? How to find the perimeter fast. Watch, this part, red part here, and this part, what is it equal to? Look, this part and this part here. What is it equal to? Can you see that this part is equal down here? This here equals to down here. This equals to down here. So you can take 12 plus 12. This is 2 is 12. One another way is 12 plus 12. And then 9. Yeah, her Wi-Fi is better.
Why don't you use from another segment?
I do not know this one. This one down here is the same as here. 9. This plus this is 9. So you can just actually take like that. You will get 42. Do you get it now?
Yes.
We try the next one, okay? You try the next one.
8, 1.
Not yet. You're so fast. You're saying it's one. We do the next one. Question thing. Can you find a perimeter? Come on.
It is 1, Joe.
Not yet. It's still 12:58.
Oh, but it's 102.
Huh? Is it 102?
101. It's 101.
No. It's 12:58.
Really?
Come.
I can put.
Yeah, it's 12:58. Sorry, wrong timing.
Yeah, it's wrong timing lah. That means you want to run away from me. Why? Only person who doesn't want to run away is Amara.
It's Amara.
But Amara, are you there, Amara?
Amara is there. You can see her face.
Yes. What is that? 12. Your that thing is wrong.
Hey, that's wrong, my
Okay, you
voice.
try to do this one and see whether you can get an answer. And then we will stop. Come on, Amara. This one you cannot use the method earlier I show you.
What must we do here?
Find the perimeter. You want this plus this plus this plus this plus this.
18 plus.
Cannot? Very simple. I'm going to label all the parts because we are now reaching the end of time. Down here is 4. There is 3 written. Down here is 4. Down here must be 2 lah. This one here. Oh, sorry. Here is 2. So then, from here to here is how much? You can find what? 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is 4, this is 4. So you take a 10. Okay, I'm going to write 10 plus these two are 8. Okay, these two are 8. Plus 8. And then plus what? Plus 4, plus 4, plus 2. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 2. Okay, and then after that, what do you do? Plus the last one here. Plus 4, plus 4. Is plus. Again, 10. Again. 8, 4, and 4, right? Then this one is 4, 4, 2. 4, 4, 2. The last one is plus 4, plus 4. Plus 4, plus 4. And if you do it correctly, you will get the answer. So this is perimeter. So what's the perimeter? The perimeter is the 36. All right. Okay, we'll stop here first. But you all, I do not know, are you focusing or not? I'm worried that your focus not so good lah. Okay, you got to try harder again next week. Try to focus lah. Okay, we'll catch you next week. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye. Take care.